The infallible Supreme Personality of Godhead, having captivated the minds of the king and the priests who were present, returned to his abode in the spiritual sky. Because the Supreme Personality of Godhead is all spiritual, he can descend from the spiritual sky without changing his body, and thus he is known as a Suyuta, or infallible. When a living entity falls down to the material world, however, he has to accept a material body, and therefore, in his material embodiment, he cannot be called Asyuta. Because he falls down from his real engagement in the service of the Lord, the living entity gets a material body to suffer or try to enjoy in the miserable material conditions of life. Therefore the fallen living entity is Syuta, whereas the Lord is called Asyuta. The Lord was attractive for everyone, not only the king but also the priestly order, who were very much addicted to the performance of Vedic rituals. Because the Lord is all attractive, he is called Krishna, or one who attracts everyone. The Lord appeared in the sacrificial arena of Maharaj Prithu as Kshirodakashayi Vishnu, who is a plenary expansion of Lord Krishna. He is the second incarnation from Karanodakashayi Vishnu, who is the origin of material creation and who expands as Garbhodakashayi Vishnu, who then enters into each and every universe. Kshirodakashayi Vishnu is one of the Purusas who control the material modes of nature.